Hi,
Greetings from my parents' house. This week we made some major progress on our goal towards full-time RV living. We got our house on the market officially.
Did it sell? We'll get to that in a minute.
When we bought our house in 2014, it was in desperate need of a makeover and had been on the market for months with absolutely no interest. We saw the house and its potential and completely fell in love. I love interior design, and Chris can learn just about anything from YouTube, so we were so pumped to tackle the big project. The sellers were asking $130,000 for the house, and much to our delight, we offered $105,000 and they accepted it. We got to work right away. Day one, we ripped up all of the carpet that was freshly laid and found solid oak floors underneath. So we were so excited to have those completely refinished so they all match. And then, about a week in, we found out that we were pregnant with Jonah. So things really slowed down, but we were still determined to get it done. We updated all of the appliances. We had some amazing friends help us replaster the house, the walls, the ceilings. We painted every room. We put in new blinds and fixtures, updated windows, backsplashes, a ton of sweat equity.
Altogether, we put around $15,000 into updating our house, and most of that was sweat equity.
So for us to make a profit, we had to sell our house for at least $120,000. And so the night before our house went on the market, our realtor called to tell us that we should put it on the market for $155,000. All right, how long has our house been on the market for?
It's been on for about less than 5 hours, 4 hours I think.
Okay, and we keep checking our little app. All right, so what have we had today? Show me.
14 showing just today, and we have 27 total.
Booked so far.
Booked so far.
Just
in the last 4 hours, yeah.
The last 4 hours.
That's promising. That's good stuff.
I'm hopeful.
We did receive our first offer on Monday evening, and we decided to carry on and hold off. And the next day, on Tuesday, we had 19 showings. They said they'll pay full price, and they'll go up to $165.
We got so much positive feedback and a few offers, and our realtor decided that it would probably be best to just wrap it up by day 3 and get all the offers in by 7 o'clock on that third day.
We have had so many showings, which I am just so happy with. We've got 2 offers in hand right now. I think at least one more is coming our way.
We received more than 2 offers. We actually received, how many, Jonah?
7.
7 offers.
Today, we've got 7 offers.
What?
7?
7? Which is really exciting. We've watched enough HGTV to know that we're not going to celebrate until closing, but we did accept a primary offer of
$168,000.
So stoked. Signing our offers. Aww. It's making me sad all over again and excited at the same time.
I know, when I went to the house to double check things last night and make sure it was locked up, it's so empty and quiet.
Excited and so hopeful that everything goes through, because it really means a lot to us, because it means that we can maximize our experience once we hit the road. So thank you so much for sticking with us with our journey. It means so much to us, and we really appreciate it. And we'll keep you updated next week.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cherries.
Cherries.